How to use the new Doodle feature on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use the new Doodle feature on Instagram. So let's just jump right in. Go ahead and open up Instagram app. And from here, what you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the message icon at the top right corner. And once you tap on it, you can find the option here for your chats. Now, once you get to the chat section, you basically have to tap on any one of the chat here, like this one. And if you want to start doodling on the chat, so let me just quickly send a random message here to increase the blank space on my screen. All right, so right here, I can just tap on the plus icon at the bottom right, and then tap on draw. And you can draw anywhere on your messages, and you can turn on the chats into canvases by adding personal touch with your drawings. Tap on try it, choose different colors here at the bottom, and then you can easily start drawing on the chat. So you can also write stuff and then tap on the send icon to send it to the chat. You can do this on any chat as well. So I can head over to this chat here and then tap on the plus icon. But before that, let me just quickly make space for chat and drawing. Tap on send. All right, so I've got this blank space over here. Tap on the plus, then draw. And as you can see, I can easily start drawing here. So you can also write stuff. And you can adjust the thickness of your brush from the slider on the left hand side. If you want it really thin, you can do that as well. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.